Hello everyone, let me introduce you to my animated flags pack. Let's go. Inside this pack you can find pre-animated flags for every country. If you Google how many countries in the world, it says there are a total of 195 countries. But this pack has 5 more than that. Anyway, I started working on this pack in 2021 and it took me 7 months to finish the first version of it. And considering the first ever product I've created, I have a good sales though. The reason it took me so long to complete it because I want my pack to be perfect. For this, I design each flag in Adobe Illustrator with high accuracy, then I animate each layer of flag in Adobe After Effects. I especially took time to give each flag a unique animation style according to their designs and patterns. Now I'm happy to say that this pack is available for everyone to download and have in their editing arsenal. This pack is best for travelers who are on the mission to travel to every country on earth. Presentational videos, geopolitical videos, infographical videos, or you can use it anywhere you want. This pack also offers different flavors of flags PNGs which you can use on an Instagram highlights, post or YouTube thumbnails. You no longer need to Google and search for high quality flags images for your work. Everything related to flags you have in this pack. After all these small updates, I'm pretty much confident that this is the best value for money animated flags pack on the entire internet. This pack works with your favorite softwares like Premiere Pro and After Effects. Now, let's see what's inside this pack. Once you download the pack, you can see there are 5 folders and 1 readme file. The first folder contains all the necessary fonts required for this pack. But here you only need to install one font, Creator Display Black. All the other flavors of these fonts are optional. Now in the second folder you can find 200 pre-animated Mogot files for Premiere Pro. And in the third folder there is one After Effects project file which contains all the 200 animated flags. The fourth folder contains subfolders of different styles of high-res flags PNGs. In the first folder, there are one by one flags icons. Let's get a closer look at these. These are closely referenced to original flags. In the second folder, you can find rounded corner flags PNGs. Let's look at the Spain flag. Let's zoom in the center. Yeah. It took me so much time to draw all these small details, which mostly go unnoticed. Anyway, and in the third folder, you find all the flags in square versions. In the fifth folder, you know what's inside it. Now it's time to show you how to use animated flags in your videos. We are inside Premiere Pro. You can use these Mogot files in Premiere Pro 2019 and above versions. The first step is to open up the Essential Graphics panel. You can open the Essential Graphics panel from here, or you can go to the window and Essential Graphics. Once the panel is open up, go to Premiere Mogot folder and select all 200 Mogot files. Press Ctrl A to select all of them. And just drag and drop inside Essential Graphics panel. And that's it. The best part of Premiere Essential Graphics panel is that you don't have to repeat this process ever again. It's a one-time process. Once the flags inside the Essential Graphics panel, they will always be there whenever you need them. All flags are numbered and named properly. You can just search the country name and it will show up. Easy peasy. Now just drag this flag in our timeline. Let's play the flags animates in. Oh, let me set the quality to half. It's just my system slows down whenever I screen record. Let's do it again. Flags animates in. But the outro animation is too far away from our clip duration. But no worry. I designed these flags to be adjustable in durations. So if I go here and trim it back. Yeah, right here. And now. I think let's resize our flag first. Click on our flag layer, then go to Essential Graphics panel and under Edit, you find every customizable setting. Let's decrease the size of our flag. And from here, you can change the flag's position. Right here. And now if I play, you can see our flag animates in and animates out inside the duration length I set. The best part is while adjusting the duration, both in and out animations of our flag remain the same, but overall duration will be shortened or increased. That's the best part. You can also change the corner roundness from this slider. You also have an option to turn off the reflection. You can also choose if you want or don't want the text under your flag from this toggle. You also have an option to change the color of your font. Change the text here, just type whatever you want. After that, you can also have an option to choose your preferred font. And you have multiple options. Let's play to see our customized flag. Amazing. Always brings happiness whenever I see my flags in action. Let's bring another flag inside our scene. Mm, Maybe the Swedish flag. Scale it down, shorten the overall duration, and adjust its position. Let's make it more roundy. 250 roundness. Don't want the reflection for this scene. And all this is fine. Let's change the font. This one is good. Now let's play to see my both flags in action. Great. That's how you can use any flag inside Premiere Pro. We are inside After Effects and this project file will work with After Effects 2019 and above versions. Let's open up the flags project file inside After Effects. Go to File, Open Project and select our flags project file. It will take some seconds to load. Inside After Effects, things are a little bit different. First, I'll guide you how I structure the project file. First thing you see is the 20 flags in the center. Here you can see our first comp contains 1 to 20 flags. If I click on the next comp, you can see it also contains 20 different flags from 21 to 40. As we go forward, we can see every comp contains 20 different flags and there are in total 10 comps, so we have 200 animated flags. And on the above left corner, you can see the comp folders. The first folder contains all the display comps which are up and down here. And the second folder contains the individual flags comps, all the 200 individual flags. And the third folder contains supported comps and solid layers. Just ignore this one. To use these flags in your videos, just import your clip and make a comp out of it. Now, go back to display comps and choose the country flag you want to use. You can choose any flag from here you want. I am selecting this one. After selecting, go to Edit and copy the flag. Now go to your clip, edit and paste it right here. Now our flag is on our clip, let's resize it and adjust its position. I'm sorry my system is slowing down because I'm screen recording. Anyway, let's play to see how the animation looks. Animation looks amazing. But I want my flag animation to end right here. To do that, we need to use our out marker. Let's bring our out marker back a little bit. Let's park it right here. Let's see if it ends on our desired timing. A little bit more. Yeah, perfect. To customize our flag, just double click on the flag layer. Inside here, you can find the setting layer. Click on this layer and go to Effects Control panel. Let's extend the panel. Here you find all the customizable settings. Above there is a lock icon, just click on it. It will lock our flag setting on the Effects Control panel. Now just go back to our clip. Here you can change various settings like size of our flag, make it bigger or smaller, but I think it is good. You have an option to make it more rounded or make it a square. But for this time I'm sticking with 250 roundness. You also have an option to turn off the reflection, but I'm liking the reflection so I'm just leaving it on. From here you can turn off the text if you want. You can also change the font color from here. But white is looking good for this scene. To edit the text, just single click here and press enter. Now type whatever you want and after typing just press enter again and text will be updated under the flag. So that's how you can use any flag inside After Effects. I hope you have an awesome time using my flags pack. If you have any feedback about my pack, please let me know. And now it's time for me to go. Keep yourself safe. Happy New Year. Bye.